Hey everyone, welcome back to the new video tutorial. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to crochet this cute little duck. For materials we need a scissor and 2mm hook, stitch marker and yarn. So be your choice. Now let's get started. First we are going to make our head part and round 1 6 single crochet into the magic circle. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now let's make a round 2, and this is going to be our first single crochet stitches. We have to mark the stitches right over here. For round 2 I'm going to increase my patterns. This is the first single crochet and 2 single crochet. We have to crochet 1 2 single crochet into the same stitches. Okay, I will meet you at the end of this row. Round 3, I'm going to make 1 single crochet and 1 increase. This is our first single crochet stitches. Okay, I will meet you at the end of this row. Round 4, we are going to make a single crochet in every stitches. Round 5, I'm going to crochet 2 single crochet and 1 increase. For round 6 to round 8, I'm going to make a single crochet around. I will meet you at the end of this row. Round 9, we are going to crochet 2 single crochet and 1 decrease. If you want to know how to decrease, you can just see here, and I will meet you at the end of this row. Now we have to insert safety eyes between round 5 or round 6 or round 6 or round 7. It's okay, you can just insert the eyes wherever you like, wherever you think it's perfect. Now let's make a round number 10. We are going to crochet 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. So everyone, I will meet you at the end of this row. Round 11, I'm going to crochet 2 single crochet and 1 decrease. Okay guys, now I will meet you at the end of this row. Okay, for round 12, round 13, round 14, round 15, round 16, round 17, we are just going to make a single crochet around, okay? So for 6 rounds, we are just going to make a single crochet, nothing more than that. Okay, now I will just meet you at the end of this row. Okay, I'm just crocheting around 13, 14, 15, 16 because I have to make a single crochet round. Okay. We are going to make a round number 18 and we have to make a 2 single crochet increase because this time we are going to make a birdie part of a duck, okay? Number 19, we have to make a single crochet around. We are just making a birdie part of a duck, okay? Oh. Round 20, we are going to make 1 single crochet and 1 increase. First 1 single crochet and the next you have to make a 2 single crochet into the same stitches. Okay, now I will meet you at the end of this row. Row 21, we are going to make a 2 single crochet first and then we have to increase our patterns in the next. That means increase means you have to make a 2 times single crochet in 1 stitches. Continue and I will meet you at the end of this row. Row 22, we are going to make a single crochet all around. Okay, I will meet you at the end of this row. Round number 23, we are going to crochet 5 single crochet and 1 increase. Round 24 to 26, I'm just going to make a single crochet all around. For 3 rounds, we are just going to make a single crochet, and after sometimes the duck body part will be ready. 27 we are going to make a 5 single crochet and 1 decrease. We are going to close the birdie part of the duck. Round 28 we are going to crochet 2 single crochet first and 1 decrease. 1 single crochet and 2, and we have to decrease. So I will meet you at the end of this row, guys, okay? This we are going to stuffing. Now let's make a row 29. We have to make a 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. I will meet you at the end of this row. Row 30 we have to decrease for 6 times in this row, and this is gonna be our last row. And we will fasten off the yarn. First cut the yarn and we will fasten off. Doing the magic. Okay, to close the birdie part we have to cut the yarn and fasten off, and you need to close the birdie with the help of needles. If you have a yarning needles you can use that. If you don't have, you can just with the help of yarn hook you can close the birdie part. Let's make a hat for a dog, and I'm going to use orange one, and I will make a magic ring and chain 1, and we have to make a 6 single crochet into the magic ring for round 1. Round 2 we have to increase the patterns. 3 we are going to make a 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The total number of chain is 18. Round 4 to round 6 we are just going to make a single crochet around because it will make your hat shape. Seven we are going to make a chain 3 and single crochet into the next stitches. Again chain 3, single crochet into the next stitches, chain 3, single crochet into the next stitches. Repeat this until we reach the last part of this round 7. Make a slip knot and cut the yarn and fasten off and join this hat with a... Here is a pattern for wings. Here is a pattern for a mount. Here is a pattern for feet. Now let's assemble these patterns, okay? You have to join wings right over here and then other wings at the same line, and you have to join a feet and the downside. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, okay? Happy crocheting!